Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today let me introduce you the EZ Lip Classic Original Universal Tuning Front Spoiler Lip. This is an spoiler lip splitter with 3M adhesive. JDM protection for gluing. You do not need a screw for that. That's really cool. It comes with 259 centimeter length, and it improved and protected with the original EZ Lip. We can visually lower our vehicle in just a few simple steps. The flexible spoiler lip can be attached to all painted surfaces and also gives our vehicle an aggressive and sporty look. The universal compatibility allows the installation on virtually all brands and models, as you can see here. First step is, of course, we have to make a really clean surface. For this, you use brake cleaner, for example, and after this, you can install quick and easy assembly. With only 3 simple steps, we can put our vehicle visually up to 3 centimeters lower. No drilling or screws are necessary for that. The EZ Lip is only glued. The strong 3M adhesive is already pre-installed. And then, if we clean out every part where we are going to install that lip, we use a little bit of heat by using an air dryer, for example, to heat up our front of the vehicle and, of course, the glue of the EZ Lip. And then we can attach it underneath our car. And if we are at the end, we are cut it with a scissor. Job's done. And it looks really cool. And it's weather and wintertime proof. The EZ Lip protects our bumper from driveways and floor thresholds. This is an optimal collision protection against curb damage. The strong 3M glue ensures a perfect and secure hold, even at a high speed. And it is a car wash and winter resistant. No prop for it. Of course, you should go not in car wash for 1 week after a fresh assembly, of course. And versatile, we add stickers and foil on it. For example, with spray foil, you can make a creative thing on it. The EZ Lip can be used as a front spoiler, or it can be used as a side skirt. And it is made in United States of America. It's made in the USA with a high quality materials. They make sure that it is consistently that the high quality standards they have set are always in the foreground. TÜV info is done. No TÜV entry is required in Germany. TÜV registration free, so you can use it on and done. Easy, put it underneath your car, the front bumper, for example, or on the side, and you're ready. With the original EZ Lip, we can put our car visually lower in just a few simple steps. The flexible spoiler lip can be attached to all painted top surfaces and gives the vehicle a unique sporty look. Optimal collision protection against curb damage, quick and easy assembly without disassembling the front prong. We use self-adhesive 3M adhesive stripes for the perfect and secure hold, and no TÜV entry is required. It's easy. To install the EZ Lip, clean the appliance area throughout with alcohol or brake cleaner. 20 degrees Celsius and on a smooth painted surface should be. For unpainted surface, screwing is recommended, of course. Then step number 2, we remove the protective film from already applied 3M adhesive. We mount the EZ Lip spoiler lips step by step along the vehicle surface to the desired position. And step number 3, then we press the spoiler lip firmly against the surface again for a few seconds, and we cut off the axes with sharp scissors. Job's done, baby. This is installed. EZ Lip Classic look. That is a universal spoiler lip. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!